Hello, WGDP community. I'm Nicolas Garcia. I'm the head of engineering here at WGDP, and this is the sprint update ending on August 19th. So, very busy sprint overall. We had three major areas, tasks, discussions, and campaigns. We did not complete all the stories we needed, and we had three stories leftovers. One was adding additional filtering on the users page, mainly being able to filter by date ranges on the last login time. Another one was the task dashboard. We wanted to add a task dashboard to the task user page. So in order to make navigation easier, we did not complete. We did a lot of good progress on it, but we could not complete it until before the end of the sprint. And the last issue that we could not complete was being able to assign a label to a campaign on the campaign screen. Again, we made tremendous progress on the story, but we could not complete it before the end of the sprint. As I said, overall pretty busy sprint. We closed 20 issues and fixed 6 bugs. We also, which resulted in about 24 merge requests compared to the previous sprint, which we had in which we had 37 merge requests, but we actually only closed 18 issues, which means that we are getting better at having a parity of one merge request per issues, which is where we want to go, where we want to be, because it means that once the bug goes to the merge request is deployed on staging, it means that there's a lot less issues then and doesn't have to go back into development. Overall, code coverage is at 57.25%. It's a little bit down from the previous sprint, which was at 57.5. Again, it's not really a big deal. It's within the the tolerance. Let's see. On my side, I've been working on FEMAC, which is a new customer, mostly trying to explore little or to no code solution for their MVPs, minimum valuable product, and also trying to look into a hybrid of Airtable mixed with Webflow integration. So I guess you will know the result of the research next sprint. Um, Challenges, well, we had a lot of challenges, but basically we onboarded, but good news, we onboarded a new team member. His name is Tolu, and wonderful engineer. He already started to contribute quite a bit to the code base and closed at least about 2 issues, I believe. So great start. He only started last Wednesday and was comfortable right away with the code base. So wonderful. A little bit of sad news. Had to, well, we didn't have to. We offboarded Yoram, an existing team member, and so everybody was a bit sad. Let's see. And so in terms of recruiting, we Olivier is actually joining WGDP as a full-time independent contractor starting September 1st, which means that he will not be hired by the ZIG, who was a consulting company that we've been using. He will actually directly contract through to us or with us. Let's see, we also have a new candidate in the check references stage, which means that we are very close to making him an offer, and hopefully he will accept. So stay tuned on that. And we have 2 other candidates slated for a technical interview in the next 6 days. So potentially a lot could change in the team in the next 2 weeks. In the coming sprint, we will keep working on figuring out how to do end-to-end testing using Cypress. There's been some work that had been done this sprint and the previous sprint, but it proved to be a little bit more challenging to set up. So other than that, that's about it. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I will talk to you next sprint.